Alright, so here's a case where there is no solution. Alright, first start out by building your triangle just as we did before. Your angle, that's about an 85-degree angle. We're not sure how long this side is. And we're going to call this one, this is A, so this is side B, and this will be side A over here. Side B is 25, and side A is 15. So clearly, there's no way to tell if 15, or that clearly you can see that 15 is not long enough to even reach this other side. So there's no solution. What if our angle wasn't so steep? If it wasn't at 85 and you couldn't quite tell? What if it came close but barely missed? You'd have no way of knowing just from your drawing. So what you want to do is actually prove that there's no solution. So when we look at this, for those of you that memorize stuff, you can memorize this. Of course, you know I use a picture. I'm not going to memorize this thing. But we have this case here. Let me get that out of your way. Let's go to a pretty drawing of that. So we have the case here where it's A is acute, right, less than 90, and the height, which we could actually determine by doing B sine of A, right, because if this is A, then sine of A is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's h over b. You solve and you can get the height here. All right, and that height is longer than 15, so that proves it as well. These are all the different cases that could potentially give us no answer here or no answer there. So let's prove that it has no answer. If I build my triangle, and I'm not quite sure if this can reach, I'm going to do sine of A over A equals sine of B over B. So that gives me sine of 85 over 15 equals sine of B over 25. You can multiply both sides by 25. And then when you do that out, you get approximately 1.66 something or other. And that's sine of B equals 1.66. That can't happen, right? Sine function can only output values between 1 and -1. It's outside the range. All right, there's no angle you can plug in and get a sine value of more than 1. So since that's more than 1, there is no solution.